Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland in ivory tri-coat. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch tech gray aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, rear DVD entertainment center, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5719.